Take him for a walk.
He won't move anymore. He's sitting on it. Marshall, you wrapped around it. Stop. Oh my god, his paw's stuck in there. Oh baby, be careful. No, I want to be in it. Come from the... No, not in the... Don't go in the dirt. Why do you want to play in the dirt? No, no, no. You are not going in the trees.
Here, let's go this way, Marshall. Come
He
on.
won't. He doesn't want to go a certain way. No, go this way. Marshall. He's trying to escape the leash. Don't you think I don't know what you're doing? He's rolling around all in the dirt. He wants to get dirty.
Marshall,
Take a picture of me. At the cat.
I'm recording.
No.
Come on, Marshall.
You wanna go back inside? You climb the steps?